If you're a fresher and if you're preparing for data analyst interviews and you are just remembering the answers, so stop there, because interviews are always one to one conversation with the interviewer. It's not an exam where you have to be perfect and you have to give every answer. So hi and welcome back to Talk Data with Jen. I help freshers in their data and AI career. Interviews are always not about certificates, they are about like how you will be conducting yourself in front of the interviewer. So in this video I'll explain you how SQL, Excel, Power BI and HR round conducts, and I'll explain you how to briefly you can explain questions answers detailed by giving a proper practical examples rather than just giving them theory and definition of a particular question. So let's begin. Now suppose the first question comes into your interview as a differentiate between where and having clause in SQL. So how you can answer this question, I'll tell you. So you can explain the real scenario, as in if you have practice in your learning journey, as in ma'am where we use where clause, as in if we want to filter or if we want to filter a region based on suppose south region, so we can use where clause. And having clause where we have to use an aggregated function. Always try to give answers not as a theoretical purpose, always give answers in a practical manner, so that will be give you an edge to your interview. In Excel, we see VLOOKUP is the most important question for a fresher, which is mostly asked in most of the interviews as what is VLOOKUP. And most students just try to give a definition about VLOOKUP, whichever they read it or just memorize in their journey. Instead of that, what you can do is that you can give an example of a data set, that if there suppose there was a data set in different tables or in different sheets, so I have to insert a common value from one sheet to another sheet. So where I have used VLOOKUP. So it shows that you have a practical knowledge as well as you have by yourself done that VLOOKUP. Suppose the question comes in Power BI, like do you have any understanding of Power BI or do you use Power BI in your journey? So in that case, you can just tell to the recruiter that yes, I know certain things in Power BI if you don't have advanced knowledge in that case. So if the interview asks you like what transformation or what data cleaning steps you can do in Power BI in the Power Query editor, so you can just ask the interview to share your screen so that you can tell or you can uh, do by yourself, so that it will give a gist in the interview mind, so that okay, you have the understanding or you have done things in Power BI. Now next comes the data cleaning, and it is the most important part, as you can say, because most of the fresher spend their most of the time in data cleaning. So you can tell the interviewer like what missing values are there, what you have replaced, and how you have cleaned the data in the Excel. Or if you know some basics of Python also, so you can tell that I have cleaned data in Python as well. But Python is, as I always say, for a fresher data analyst is not a must tool. It should have, like if you have, it's better. Sometimes there are scenario based questions in which the interviewer gives you a case study to just use your analytical thinking, problem solving skills to just answer questions based on that case study. And sometimes the HR round comes in most of the interviews at first, but some at the last. So suppose if a HR is asking you like why should we hire you, or what is the gap in your resume, so you can answer these questions in relate to your learning journey or relate to your experience. Or if you don't have any experience, you can use your internship experience. So if you found this video helpful, or you can practice this question with me by having an interview call or by having a mock interview with me. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and subscribe to Talk Data with Jen for such more useful content. Thank you so much.